好。
Hello，晚安，大家。
你可唔可以介紹下自己啊？唔該。嗯
我想介紹自己，我名叫Gina Yuliana，我今年33歲。我喺個日北53我喺住50公間。我結咗婚，我有兩個仔，我老公係農夫。我讀完高中學畢業，我想會教，我勁教，我識煮肉，但係我唔識煮肉。我之前試過做嘢係Jakarta 2年，照顧 BB 同埋照顧小朋友，買餸、煮餸、洗車、接放學，清潔多嘅同埋嘅打。我識煮餸各餸，煎魚、煎雞、煎雞蛋、波凍、雲凍、冬瓜粥同埋嘅打。我識照顧 BB，照顧小朋友同埋照顧老人家。我想喺香港做嘢人位，我想揾到地址俾我嘅家人同我自己。我會盡力做嘢人，做嘢老實、女心，令活動做完2年合約。我希望大家，我希望先生隨我做嘢，唔該晒大家，唔該晒先生，隨見喺香港，拜拜。
好，我問下你先。好，你喺印尼嗰個僱主係 Indonesian 定係 Chinese 啊
Indonesia。
Indonesian，OK，so 係咪每日煮飯啊？你使唔使每日煮飯啊
I
？You cook every
actually
day？喺個
yes,
employer house
ma'am.
cook every day 係咪啊？每日煮飯。
Yes, ma'am. I can cook.
OK，我想問多一次，問下你喺個僱主度幾多點瞓覺，幾多點起身啊？幾多點瞓覺，幾點起身？
Yes, ma'am. I am wake up in the morning at 5 a.m.
OK，
and I sleep
嗯
10 o'clock.
OK，you can speak English too, right? OK, quite good.
Yes,
Quite
yes,
good. So,
ma'am.
can you read English? Can you read the message? WhatsApp? If the employer send you WhatsApp, is it okay?
Okay. Okay.
OK, thank you. So, 我用廣東話試下你啲廣東話先，即係我問下廣東話，你識煮啲咩中國餸啊？識煮啲乜嘢？
煮熟。
煮咩啊？係啊。
我識煮熟。
識煮啲乜嘢啊？識煮咩啊？
煮煎魚、煎雞、煎雞蛋、波凍、雲凍同埋嘅蛋。
好。你喺學校幾耐啦？幾多個星期啊？
3 禮拜。
3個禮拜。哦，學得好快喎，都幾好喎。So, okay. So, how old is your kids? You have children, right?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
old is your children?
My children.
Yes.
6月到1月。
嚇，6月？
1歲。
1歲啊
I'm sorry.
？6歲同6歲同1歲，我喺度諗你6個月1個月。OK OK。
I'm sorry,
Oh, it's
ma'am.
okay, it's okay. No Cantonese teacher here, right? 係咪放晒工啊？All teacher go home, right? You are only here. No teacher here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
OK，冇人提水嘅喎，乖啊，叻喎，叻喎。
Thank
OK OK。
you.
I want to ask if with the kids or when you are working cannot use mobile phone, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, very
Okay.
good. Can you show me your hands? 哦，好啊，very good。好啊，唔該晒你，thank you，thank
Bye.
you，拜拜。